Now we are in page 45, okay? In page 45, we are going to concentrate on birds, okay? But first I want you to see this presentation, okay? So the birds. So the birds, they are born from eggs like this. You see the baby here. So we have some eggs and the baby is here. Is born here, okay? So you see? So cute, okay? So birds coming from eggs, okay? Number 2, the birds build nests to keep their eggs safe. So you know what is nest? All this is nest. So this is the house. They build nests to have the baby safe here under trees, okay? Also, another characteristic of birds is that they don't have teeth like you and me, no tienen dientes, okay? Instead, they have beak. This is beak, okay? A beak, okay? This, they have beak. So they can take the insects and fish and everything, okay? And finally, they have feathers, like this picture, feathers of different colors that we have here, okay? So they have these characteristics. And now we can go to a book and we see that it says, most birds are skillful flyers, so they are very good flyers, okay? Que vuelan muy bien. Like eagles, ducks, and hummingbirds. Do you see the hummingbirds? This is a hummingbird, this is a duck, and this is an eagle, okay? So the hummingbirds are experts flying. Others like ostrich, like these here, penguins, like this here, and chickens, like this here, they don't fly, no fly, but they are birds, okay? Because they have characteristics. And then we have a picture with 3 baby birds here, and it says, birds are born from eggs. The egg has a hard shell that protects the baby bird until it's ready to hatch, okay? Protege al bebé antes que nazca. Eggs are a tasty treat for other animals, okay? So what happened? Because the eggs are delicious from other animals, so they have to take care a lot of the egg. Birds build nests to keep their eggs safe. Like this is a nest, okay? And you keep birds safe. Okay? So this is all about birds and mammals. Next week we're gonna concentrate on the other different groups, okay? So now I hope that you enjoy and the presentations, and see you next week, okay? Bye guys, see you.